To lay out a plan for COVID-19 boosters is now.
And right now, we are waiting for President Biden to announce plans for most Americans to get a booster shot of the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines.
There's been a lot of talk about this for several months, and it looks like we're finally finding out some more information. This should happen around 4:30. As soon as it does, we will bring it to you live on air. And right now, some people with compromised immune systems are already getting a third dose, but the president's expected to say everyone else can get them too.
There's a little bit of calculus that everybody's doing. You can wait till you've sort of lost control and then catch up with it, or you can be cautious and try and get out in front. And
so how are vaccine providers getting ready for this?
Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Mike Savino had the chance to talk with public health officials. He is joining us live from Hartford Hospital right now with much more. And Mike, what are they saying about all of this?
Well, Mark and Aaron, they say that they're ready, but of course it's important to note that even if this does go through, we're talking likely a month out. This is going to need approvals from the FDA and the CDC, although it's worth noting that the heads of both agencies today came out in a joint statement backing this plan to get booster shots to more people. Now here in Connecticut, again, they say that we have plenty of vaccine supply right now. They also say we have plenty of clinics to meet the demand, so they're confident we will be ready if this does come down.
Well, of course, Mike, when this all started months ago, we were all waiting in lines. A lot of us were, at least, at those clinics, in our cars, at those mass vaccination sites. Do they expect to see things like that come back again?
Right now, those are not in the plans. They feel that the providers feel that we have enough clinics and enough vaccine to meet this demand. Again, it's important to note that you're talking 8 months out from your initial shots, so they don't expect to see a huge wave of people right away. But that is a possibility if that is needed. Here at Hartford Hospital, they also say that they're seeing increased testing as well, so that's a possible factor that could bring back more sites. But the World Health Organization says that it's important that any efforts to get booster shots does not take away from getting people their first dose, getting vaccinations to the unvaccinated. That should be a priority. Providers here in Connecticut agree with that and say that whatever our strategy is cannot take away from that. I'll have more coming up on Eyewitness News at 5.
Mike, thank you very much for that. It is time for everyone at home to vote now. We want to know,